Congratulations on completing the first two steps to getting started with the Twin Turbo TRX platform. They're definitely the most time-consuming steps involved. This final step of getting registered on the platform is actually a very simple and straightforward process, and I'm going to walk you through it here on the phone right now. So to begin with, you want to open up your Tron wallet that you'll be using. We recommend the Clever wallet. Make sure you have enough to buy the first $40 tier plus about an additional 5% to cover the gas fees. Same thing if you're using the TronLink wallet. Make sure you have enough to cover that first tier and the gas fees. Then we're going to open the wallet's web browser. On the Clever wallet, it's the second icon on the bottom, the globe. On the TronLink, it's the second icon from the right, the four dots that make a square. Once your web browser is open, you're going to paste your sponsor's link into the browser and click Go. That will take you to the platform page. On the top in the very center, click the Join Now button. And that will bring you to the automatic login or register button. That will associate your wallet to the smart contract and sign you up onto the platform. Go ahead, click on the Confirm button to confirm your purchase. And that will bring up a pending confirmation page. Depending upon the volume of traffic on the network, it usually takes about a minute or two. But welcome, you are now free to look around your back office and upgrade through the tiers. I do highly recommend that you take advantage of all 5 tiers. As you noticed in the presentation, they now have added a 5% bonus pool that is going to be available to the first 10,000 people that register all the way up to level 5. So I highly recommend, if you can, take advantage of that. If not, get in where you can right now and make it a goal to get to that tier 5 as quickly as you can. We're here to help you build your business and increase your income and move on up the tiers. So once again, congratulations, welcome aboard, and I look forward to talking to you soon.